These little nuggets of information are like the appendix of knowledge, utterly pointless, but somehow still hanging around. So grab your popcorn and get ready for a wild ride through the realm of uselessness. Hong Kong is the most visited city in the world, while France is the most visited country. Keyboards used to be arranged alphabetically. We are born with only two natural fears: the fear of falling and the fear of loud sounds. Antarctica is the only continent without any reptiles or snakes. Video games help surgeons perform better. Tomato ketchup was once used as medicine. The brain is the fattest organ. Australia has the greatest number of venomous snakes worldwide. Dead people get goosebumps. A snail can sleep for 3 years. The name for the Pringle shape is a hyperbolic paraboloid. There is McDonald's in all continents except Antarctica. At any point in time, 0.7% or of the world's population is drunk, or 50 million people. Sonic the Hedgehog isn't his full name. A crocodile cannot stick its tongue out. Like fingerprints, everyone's tongue print is different. Toilet paper in France is generally pink. Artificial banana flavoring is based on an extinct banana. 4 out of the 10 largest statues in the world are of Buddhas. Half of all bank robberies in the US are done on a Friday. Tinder made its first match in Antarctica in 2014. Men's dress shirt collars used to be detachable. In 2014, a missing woman on a vacation in Iceland was found in a search party for herself. Sneezing while traveling at 60 miles per hour makes you close your eyes for 50 feet. People don't sneeze in their sleep. February used to be the last month of the year. Shoe stores used X-ray machines to measure shoe sizes. Australia has the most beaches in the world. The national animal of Scotland is the unicorn. The directors of the film Despicable Me wrote their own language for the minions. The Alaskan town of Talkeetna actually had a cat for its mayor. There is an island in the Bahamas with only pigs as residents. Eating polar bear liver can kill a human being. Insects are attracted to light because of the moon. Lobster used to be considered the cockroach of the ocean. DreamWorks Studios was created by a former Disney employee. Australia has a bright pink lake. Netflix spent $0 on marketing its DVD rental business, but over 6 million people still used it. Spiked and studded dog collars were an ancient Greek invention. A full jumbo jet tank has enough fuel to drive a car around the world 4 times. Artist Salvador Dali would get out of paying at restaurants by drawing on the checks. Your heart beats 100,000 times a day. J is the only letter that doesn't appear on the periodic table. At birth, baby pandas are smaller than mice. Herring fish communicate by farting. A kimono literally translates to thing to wear. Scientists grew a human tooth from scratch using pee. Tic Tacs got their name from the sound they make. You could go to jail for collecting eagle feathers in the U.S. 78% of NFL players undergo financial crisis by 2 years of retirement. A filmmaker once created a 10-hour film of paint drying. During the first 5 months of Pokémon Go, gaming-related accidents increased by 26.5%. If you ate nothing but rabbit meat, you would die from protein poisoning. Hundreds of rare animals and plants thrive in the North Korea-South Korea border. The tongue is the only muscle in the body attached from one end. Sleep literally cleanses your brain. Sudan has the most pyramids out of any country. The Lego Group is the most powerful brand in the world. The only difference between kosher salt and table salt is the grain size. Humans specifically have eyes that face forward for the purpose of seeing in 3D. The founder of Pringles, Frederick Bauer, requested to be buried in a Pringles can. The sound of a Star Wars lightsaber is the combined sound of a film projector and noise from an old TV. Humans can't taste food without saliva. You can eat the stickers on fruit. The Chanel Double C was the first designer logo of all time. Giraffes have less neck bones than a sloth. The word friends is said in every episode of Friends. 27,000 trees are cut per day for the world's toilet paper. Airport runway numbers actually indicate the direction on a compass. Hershey's Kisses were named that after the kissing sound the chocolate makes on the conveyor belt. We've journeyed through the land of useless facts. Remember, these facts may not change the world or impress anyone, but they're perfect for those awkward silences or when you want to confuse your friends. So go forth, my fellow purveyors of uselessness.
Ta-da! 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 Ta-da!
Stay curious, stay weird, and never stop celebrating the wonderfully pointless side of life.